Hello everyone, this is Jerry from the Valley of Languages. On this video, I'll focus on how to talk about the coronavirus symptoms and its related vocabulary for you to understand about what you hear and what you read on the internet. Telehealth, the use of electronic information and telecommunications technologies to support long-distance clinical healthcare, patient and professional health-related education, public health and health administration. Technologies include video conferencing, the internet, streaming media, and terrestrial and wireless communications. For example, telehealth allows patients to access expertise which is not available in their local areas. Telehealth is different from telemedicine because it refers to a broader scope of remote healthcare services than telemedicine. Telemedicine refers specifically to remote clinical services. There are discussions about starting telemedicine for people who have mild symptoms. To cough into your sleeve or elbow. To prevent the virus from spreading, experts recommend frequent hand washing and coughing into your sleeve or clean tissue. Contagion, a disease spread from one person to another by close contact. Last month, the president of the country said, people from the north continue to arrive, and with them come thousands more chances of contagion. Overwhelmed, not having the capacity to treat critically ill patients. Without an order to hunker down, hospitals could become overwhelmed within weeks. Ventilator, ICU, Intensive Care Unit. Patients with severe cases of COVID-19 often require ventilators, machines that help people breathe, and treatment in ICUs. To test positive means to show that a person has the disease or condition for which they've been tested. For example, 21 of the passengers on the ship tested positive for the coronavirus. Symptomatic means exhibiting or involving symptoms. For example, a second man who attended a ski event on March the 4th has tested positive for coronavirus. He was symptomatic at the time he was there. Symptomatic means showing no symptoms. For example, infected asymptomatic people might be driving the spread of coronavirus more than we thought. Carrier means a person transmitting a causative agent of an infectious disease. For example, I'd really like to know how long I'll be contagious if I'm an asymptomatic coronavirus carrier. To arouse means to stop sleeping. Bluish lips. Example: emergency warning signs include trouble breathing, persistent pain or pressure in the chest, new confusion or inability to arouse, bluish lips or face. Immunocompromise means to become vulnerable or function less effectively. Example: being immunocompromised means to have a weakened or impaired immune system, which reduces your ability to fight infections and other diseases, including COVID-19. To stamp something out, to end it. Example: when we get a vaccine for the disease, then we can actually stamp it out completely. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly hope you stay safe. Goodbye.